Tapescript 1.1.3.
Hi, my name's Aruni. I'm 6 months old. My father is Awang. I live in a tree. I like flying and singing songs. My dad says I like asking questions too. I ask a lot of questions. Sometimes my dad doesn't know the answer. My dad says I should go to school because I can ask a lot of questions there. My teacher knows the answer. I'm ready for school. I have a beautiful red bag, 12 notebooks and 3 pens. I think my favorite subject is English. I'm like my dad. I love talking. I love talking in English and Khmer. Yes, it's time for class.
Should.
No.